Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Katie if you're new, and if you're coming back again, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you what I got for my daughter for my Mother's Day gift this year, and that's a Jade roller. She bought one and tried it for herself, and she gets a lot of tension, not even necessarily a headache, sometimes a headache, but tension from, doing this with your eyebrows and just stress throughout the day, I guess. She read up about it and decided to give it a try, and she says it's amazing that it really relieves the tension in her forehead, and she also said that she notices a difference with puffiness. She thought I might enjoy it. So anyway, I'm going to do a little unboxing, share a little information about it, and then do a little short tutorial. In case any of you guys are not familiar with facial rollers or a Jade roller, it's basically supposed to encourage drainage from your lymph nodes, lymphatic drainage. It's also supposed to reduce puffiness, encourage circulation, help with fine lines, wrinkles, and help build collagen. In general, throughout your body, unless you stimulate or massage your lymph nodes, there's not really a good way to get rid of the toxins that build up in them. Exercise doesn't seem to be quite enough. I do something called dry brushing, maybe another video, but that I use on my body, and there's a certain method to doing it, but basically it stimulates your lymphatic system and encourages it to drain out. And then, I drink plenty of water after that and all that. But so the Jade roller is more for your delicate neck and face area. I think probably one of the reasons it helps with puffiness is because it's getting rid of those toxins, if you do it right. If you think about it, a lot of cancer cells end up in lymph nodes and then they just stay there. It's really an important thing to think about adding to your routine. I know, another thing to add to your routine. This is really a pretty short, quick, relaxing routine. I did a little research of my own and watched some different videos. There are a lot of different kind of videos on facial rolling and specifically the Jade roller, but I think a lot of them tend to focus on the cosmetic aspect of it, and they don't necessarily really talk that much about your lymph nodes. So if you're going to do this, I think it's really important and most beneficial to you if you follow the proper tutorials that actually focus on draining those lymph nodes of their toxins. The tutorial that I'm going to show you will do both. I think that the importance of the facial rolling and the lymphatic drainage goes hand in hand with looking good and feeling good, and there really isn't a better way to do it, so I figure why not. So onto the Jade roller. I will link some of the videos down below. This is the brand Jade roller that my daughter got me at ATAHANA. I keep saying it wrong. ATAHANA. Anyway, there's some paperwork in here. There's a little instructional sheet that shows you where your lymph nodes are and how to do it, which I studied very carefully. They've got, some information on if anything is wrong with the product, please let us know. Anyway, so you open it, and, a lot of people are really into, the crystals and the stones and all that. I don't know that much about that, but I like that it's a natural stone. So then you open it up, and that's the Jade roller. So there's the large side and the small side, and in the tutorial they mostly use this side, and then this mostly for your forehead area. In other videos I watched, they used the large side everywhere, so maybe there's different ways to do it, but I'm going to show you the method that I think is best for targeting those lymph nodes. I myself don't really have that much puffiness that I notice. Some mornings, of course, I do love salt. And some mornings I will wake up and it's, it's more puffy. So I'll be definitely using it for that. For those of you that do have a lot of puffiness, it really helps to refrigerate this. And then when you use it, it's really nice and cool, and it's just very soothing just because it's cold, let alone rolling the toxins away. So, okay, so I'm going to go out of my comfort zone, take off my makeup, and we'll get started on that tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that you want to make sure is that your Jade roller is all clean, which I've already done. Then you want to make sure your skin is clean, and I'm just going to use some witch hazel just to get off any last residue. Then what you might want to do is use one of your favorite serums. I'm going to use this vitamin C, which I'm almost all out of. I need to order more. Or maybe you want to use one of your favorite essential oils. I'm just going to put that all around. I really am almost out. Get a few drops here. Blend that all in. The most important thing that I would think that you need to do is to get familiar with where your lymph nodes are that you want to target. So the first one, and we're going to start with the small end, the first one is right here near your clavicle. And what you're going to do is open that up. And this is node A. So you're going to open that up 3 to 5 times. You're going to press on it. 1, 2, 3. I've already done more. Then you're going to jump up and you're going to go to node B right here, right behind the jaw. Open that up. You're going to pump it 3 to 5 times. Then you're going to take it and roll down back to node A and pump that one 3 to 5 more times. Then you're going to jump up to node C, kind of the middle of your ear. Pump that 3 to 5 times. Go back to node B 3 to 5 times. Roll down 3 to 5 times. Then back up to the highest lymph node, D, 3 to 5 times, roll down, pumping each node as you go. It's just as simple as that. So that side's done, and I'm going to move on to this side. It seems complicated, but once you start doing it, it's super simple. Up to the highest one, then back down to the middle, behind the jaw, and down there. So basically now you've opened up all your lymph nodes, and you always want to start at A, then go to B, C, D. With each node, you want to make sure that you are pumping, rolling down to the next one, pumping, rolling down to the next one, and then pumping again. So now those are opened up, and now you're going to start your facial massage. So still we're going to be using the small end, and we're going to start down here, and you're going to pump there. You're going to roll it, not hard, down to B. Pumping. Then you're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle. B. So basically these 2 points are going to go to node B, and then you're going to roll down. Then the next 2 points are going to go to node C, roll down, then roll down again, and then the next are going to go to D. So on and so forth. So I'll keep going. The base of the nose, pumping. Under the eye. And now we're going to switch it and use the large side right here. And go to node D, and this will be all linked below, don't forget. Then to C, B, A. In the top, this particular movement can really help release the tension in your eyebrows. You know, sometimes you're frowning and you're tense and you don't even realize you're tense, and this is supposed to help with that. So if you're going to watch TV or something like that in the evening, just get familiar with where your lymph nodes are. Just make sure that you're starting at the bottom lymph node first, jumping up here, pumping that, rolling it down, jumping up to the next one, pumping that, rolling down to the next one, pumping that. So on and so forth. Okay, so that's it. It's really a pretty simple routine, especially once you get the hang of it. It took me a few times, but then you can start watching TV or whatever. Just make sure your face is clean, make sure the Jade roller is clean. It's really a pretty quick, relaxing routine that you can get into. You just want to make sure you know where your lymph nodes are and always roll down, never up. So you're just trying to drain everything. And I like to follow it up with a nice hydrating cream afterwards, or sometimes I like to use this facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water by Mario Badescu. I'm not sure if I said that right. Anyway, I love this stuff, and it's just really refreshing. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if you've ever had one or tried this, and if you've seen benefits of any kind. Remember, you are supposed to use it daily for best results. It takes like 5 minutes maybe. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. See you guys soon.